If you've ever struggled with watermarks while working on your AI-generated videos, this update could save you a lot of time and make your workflow much smoother. In today's video, I'll show you exactly where to find this new watermark removal feature, how it works, and why it's a game changer for AI creators. But before we jump in, if this is your first time on the channel, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss future AI tutorials, tips, and hidden updates. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends because they'll definitely find it useful. Now, let's get started. And that's it. That's how you can use the new watermark removal feature inside Google Flow. If this video helped you discover something new, do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future AI tutorials, prompt engineering tips, and content